Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Got a new PC, but the idea of setting it up from scratch is overwhelming? Transferring all your programs, special settings, and files is a huge hassle. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and best way to clone your Windows system from an old computer to a new one. Let's go. Moving your existing Windows 11 installation to a new computer is more complex than cloning a drive within the same computer. This is because the Windows operating system is closely tied to your computer's hardware, especially the motherboard. Moving it to a PC with different parts can lead to driver conflicts and activation issues. However, it is possible, and cloning is often preferred to a fresh install if you want to keep all your programs, settings, and files exactly as they are. This process is often called Universal Restore or Migrate OS to dissimilar hardware. This tool I'll recommend is an excellent choice for this. This tool is a popular and user-friendly software designed to help protect data by creating backups of systems, disks, partitions, and files. It is also an affordable preventive measure compared to the potential cost of data recovery services. You can easily download the software by clicking the link I've added in the description box to get 250 gigabytes of cloud storage free of use. To start the backup process, click the Create Backup button that can be found under Backup Systems. There are 4 categories of data backup here. For files, disks, OS or operating system, and apps data. On the left, you will see a list of local and network files. Select the files you want to back up by expanding the directory. Follow the on-screen instructions. Next, select a location for the backup. By default, you will see that there is already a default location for your files. Tap on it to see the options. You can choose the local drive option for the local disk, the tool's cloud service, network to add your OneDrive or Google Drive account, or lastly, the security zone. If you're also interested in customization settings like enabling an automatic backup schedule, daily, weekly, monthly, or upon an event, and creating differential and incremental backups, these are available via the Options button. Once done, click Backup Now to begin the Windows system backup process. The completed backup task will appear on the left in card format. Next, turn on the new computer and quickly go into its main settings called BIOS/UEFI, usually by pressing a key like F2 or Delete. If the key isn't working, search Google for the correct key for your laptop or PC. Tell it to start from the emergency disk, USB first. Once the third-party tool starts, tell it to put the Windows copy from your external drive onto your new computer's main drive. Make sure to check the Universal Restore option. This is the part that helps Windows work with the new computer's parts. Also, if you're using an SSD, check Optimize for SSD for best speed. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.